my skating, right now the full skate too. If you don't say right now you skate for that way, you know how to skate. Get ready, but they can't shoot video. You understand me? This is my skating show. I dey take skate every time. I dey practice, I dey skate those days as I did London and things. There are plenty people no. That I did how I say, I want to take my skate, just do one or two things. So if you don't say the skate, where there anywhere, just link up some flex. You understand me? Because we can shoot some video where we need people with the skate and things. Maybe just do some nice video, shatter movement, So if you know those ones where they skate where they won't join the train, yeah, let's do some better. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, it's so beautiful. You understand? Sometimes when they pray to God, you understand? So as I started why I pray to God and stuff like that, What bring me come here today? The thing when you bring me come here today, we say, my French people, where the Francophone countries, my French France, they say sometimes that they speak English plenty way, don't know they understand. So today, I just want to speak French more and explain myself. You understand me? Because sometimes some people need if you understand when Shatta Wale, they fight for anything. You understand? And that's what I teach Shatta movement. It be revolution time. You understand me? If you fight for your thing, you understand me? Yeah, we passed the 1950, 1940 kind of lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? When I would did 2024, as I'm saying, we did 2024, you have to try and, fight for your thing. You know what I mean? Because they lie to you plenty. So that's why we come here, we won't counter you or something. But yeah, sometimes when I come live, where I come to talk about certain things for this country, then somebody go there, they say, oh, Shatta has a point. But the way he delivers the thing, that is why, the way I deliver what? Fire no burn you before. If fire they burn you, they there and they tell say, the way the fire they burn me, so I keep myself, and I don't want make anybody say fire they burn me. Let me tell you one thing with problem for this country inside. The English they teach you people for school plenty. It means they worry plenty of you for life. The English language. The English where they teach you for school. You mean they worry your brain where if you talk sense. When man they speak sense, if you talk us, you go school where the school puff your mind. So if you get there with somebody they talk, somebody like Shatta Wale, I come where they talk to my fans about how life is and how serious it for be. Then somebody go talk to and say, no, if you come self and everything, English. Your mother be English person or your father be English person. Come and give me proof. Say you be English person. Your blood be English. When matter come, when people they talk, then some people won't can do like nobody know English person. Come on for them. Go check my school. Me, I go 7th grade Prince Academy. I go Institute of Divine Education. Shalom for Collegon. Go check. I go Winneba Secondary School. Go check me English. Me I be the best English student. If they say essay writing, if I ask plenty of you to write essay for me, most of you go make mistake because you don't even have idea how to even compose an essay. So when they talk, make nobody come, they tell me, say, hey, I get point. And by the way I deliver the message, you come up for it. But they deliver what message? Come up for it. Nonsense people. When they talk, or people, that boy sometimes when I laugh plenty people. You understand me? Because you people, they listen radio station and TV stations, and did they lie to you people? Did they lie to you people? Or even say, see, apart from politics in this country, that it is rare way they say people they fight around, and you see this MP and this MP they fight. Apart from politics, everything for this country be bullshit. Everybody be liar. Because if the only politicians we go here say, so government got $350 billion to do this project and blah blah blah. Apart from that, what do you hear again? Everything everybody try speak something, make this easy. The thing they speak it sense. Stop the English language. It is killing you people. It is killing you people. because you don't understand it. I'm not saying English language is not good, but stop speaking it like you are speaking sense, because you are not making sense when you are speaking the English language. Speak pidgin or tree or Hausa or Gan or Egbe or Fra or Dagbani. Shout out to Fancy Garam. My one done for Tamale. Shout out to Makasi. Them more they sing for the my country languages like Dagbani. Zilembele and Kalempe and them one done and Elambele and Selembe. Make us speak to my Dagbani people. Ellen Simple and Simte. William Panton, Ellen Pulling Fondant on Monday. Alam pulling some for them bear. In Balan, Tenen Talang, Alam Flans and Ghana, Alam Badent and Sensi. In Billing Balang Valan, Tenen Talam Falan Salam Falan, Alan to Lumpalan to Lumbelen, Elebembelen to Lemfelem, Filling Talang, or Lumbelen. I wish I could speak that way. Like you could chop your face for you. If man they speak way, if you listen sense way man they talk, then you won't twist the English. The English is your mother, you come up for them. When man they talk, if you listen the sense, me if you saw how they talk, me if I talk to you, will be serious matter. By people they say so that this of it. Shatta if I go do stand-up comedy, Shatta if I go do stand. If you say I don't go do that, I go make you laugh and shit for yourself and pee. Me that be me. Ask my boys with the day around me. Me I create jokes out of my head. The way I create music, if you saw I create jokes, I go make you laugh 247. That's what I mean. I will make you laugh and flat. You did that when man they talk about serious issues and man they talk about serious things we if we just be careful and pay attention to. There's some stupid people for this country won't do like they speak English. So they won't use English like you people. And I think Shatta Wale, what he's saying, I think Shatta Wale, because come up for there, because yeah, the English you go put English for your bank account and say go fit take pay like you now. Put English for ATM card and say go fit pay now. Let me stop there. Now let me explain this to my French people. La travailler et la cava au Ghana au le kwaro la tout mouflé elle a pisse s'il vous plaît elle a oui elle a Vandam Ghana musique elle a oui tout la vui la séparatoire. Elle understand les garçons, non, les garçons, non. La femme, la montrer, la main, la oui. Elle a, comme on dit ça. La tu, la toi, elle est tout toi, elle est quoi, la vec, la moi, elle est je suis, à vous, à l'ouvre, ou à l'ave, ou à l'élève, à l'ave. Waladro, à la barbe. Vive, vap, il a vite, s'il vous plaît. À la 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. À la move. Il va lave, lavatoire, flévatoire, à ma boire. It's not a talk. You don't understand? It's very sad. It's very, very sad. What I want to say, we can interpret them come preaching and broken English and my local dialect inside. Say me alone at Ghana. If problem come where I won't talk, I talk about the problem. There's somebody who did it and it just say why that thing they talk about why I they talk that thing like that and the way I talk that thing and the way that thing do. Hey, don't be stupid. If man can do live video where he talk say somebody where you put the claim say he is sick. Somebody where you put the claim say he is sick. Oh yeah, where it pull gun for this country inside. In the if you come out gun, it gets things, it did. And somebody who can tell me say why say aflatoxin disabled. You are very stupid to say why say aflatoxin disabled. Do you know who is a disabled? Somebody said with the car accident. No, for outside. There are no some girl for outside. You get accident passing car. Insurance give them money. We take buy house, take the living, but so it get under disability. If man talk about that thing, somebody come just go influence some nonsense influence. Like, oh, why are you talking to? Somebody can mention all disabled for you. If people don't stop that foolish thing they do for this country, me I talk already. As I did won't make somebody like this thing at the talk. I won't make them know some opinion people talk say, okay, let us call Shatta and say, we could be more for this country. You could be bastard for this country. Because more Jimmy. People want every day use English. They like people for this country inside. Just they use English. They fuck up people in my mind. No sense talk. When man they talk reality. Say, oh no, it's everybody. It is everybody. Cause yeah, you dey your house. If they talk say, oh, a comedy. Say, you pa na only young talk when say a comedy. Because a comedy means to. Now I call a press statement. Me check which tell me Jimmy oh. Sometimes a young person me young because when Jimmy country move too much. Because you are somebody there, say the person talk say you dey hung. So everybody where they hung, vex. You know what be reality at all. When Jimmy, me nothing they feel scare me for this country anymore. And the disrespect there go be more. Unless you respect me, they go respect you. But if you disrespect me, I will disrespect you more. People they talk nonsense things for TV and radio and things. Nobody they feel sit down and say, but I'm comfortable way. But as usual, when the politicians of this country, they see say you don't get innovative minds. So if you saw the thing go they go. When Jimmy too much, like the way I'm more Gino, the Adrina Muano, anything I'm move Bremun Cosono. Some of you they talk for them, they say bring 10,000 Ghana for your account. You don't get some 10,000 Ghana. You don't get some 10,000. Maybe don't even go 10,000, 5,000. Say you don't get some 5,000. When I come where they motivate my fans to let them know they say, hey, Charlie, Masa, the way they say I'm not be like that too. If you so move for go, where I motivate my fans, the people won't come. They influence my fans with the English language. Think about that. Say you and somebody else, where the person say, he the hung. The person say, you hungry guy. So every hungry guy for this country inside, this say why this guy for test. So the Hungry Guys Association, they write press statement. Munja Jimienu, na Jimie. Na mo Jimmy too much for country ya. Munja Jimienu, mu Jimmy too much. Obi an kanche Maame Shatta Wale me ka chemo. Mu ni nyame ana, mo Jimmy ana. Ada mu na mu ka se mu na mu pass sem, mu be ma obi asem. Me ma asem, me tuna ma wasem. Me go fit do this thing where American government and UN and everybody go vex. They will come and will catch big men. Me, so are they. Don't do me know if it creates problem for me. Me have the problem myself. The answer they have the problem. I see ya. But if the big mouth association people to wake up say day to day best. Everything with the create association, everything with the we even get unemployed people association, people of Ghana. Then if you go meet and pay dues, if you are unemployed, why you get the money for? If you are unemployed, one man they talk say educated fools. Sometimes you people know if you understand. Say educated fools. You are unemployed, but if you come from association, from president, secretary, are you okay? Just because of English language. English. I wonder how you people study English in school. And think the politicians will look at you and laugh. They don't get, you see, every politician in the city, he be smart person, he be smart guy, he be papa guy. He not saying time no day. So you see, he not go come for foolish things. You have every access in this country. You have every opportunity in this country. You are not making good use of it just because of a lazy ass fucking life. Everything that this country is like. Why? If you say where I get money from, if you say Kuwait people they give money, or America people they give money, or Australia, make Jimmy too much. Sometimes make people learn sense. Make people learn sense. Nobody go fit twist my things from you. That's what I mean. That's why I say me I not go change for anybody. If somebody a fool, when they for tell us which foolish thing be that? What's here? You know who be gangster? If people listen my song, I play song. We dey inside. Country bro, country bro. I dey talk about Amuda. Amuda, go ask Amuda for Sahara. I see, you know when man can start carry gun. But Amuda, he get case. Go check, go read about Amuda. Somebody like that, like the system even give him award for even telling most of the youth, hey, don't use gun, put your guns down. Do this. No, just drop your guns. Just don't even calm down. Like, you know, Amuda, we the no say the bad man for Sahara. Adabaka Sahara Amuda. Say, oh no, Shatta, Charlie, forget this thing. Just, you know, you say they do music, do your music, Charlie, everything go be. Make I play that song for you, make you listen. Make I play that song for you, make you listen. You did there, and if man they talk, then you won't talk like, you know they see the problem where they talk about. If you're a fool, you can't be part of my Shatta movement. If you're a fool, you can't be part. And if you're a fool, we go tell you say you be fool. We not go waste. Me are not go miss words. So make nobody come there and think say, oh, Shatta Wale there as you know some things you have to realize. When you're a fool, you're a fool. That's why they give you examples. How somebody go tell you say, oh, hey, hungry boy, Obenoko. Then the Obenoko Association of Ghana go wake up say, why we talk say this guy okay, nothing because this guy we don't say yeah, oh, the Obenoko, but why are you people talking like that, like Obenoko? So the Obenoko Association people should wake up. Make Obimbra no family bedding kwasi asem. Obimbra no family bedding kwasi asem Ghana. Yeah, I tell you, boy, unless they shoot me. And they make this thing make it ring for put in my hands. Make it say, man, no fear anybody for this country. Because it be foolish life. That's why when I come tell you, say, so if pastor talk say, Shatta Wale, they go shoot him after his birthday. Media, I be bucket. I be awake water. I be phone. I be microphone. I no get feeling. I know the fear. I know the panic. Blood no they run through me. So as pastor talk say they go shoot me there, I dey feel sleep. Cause yasem. Me, I don't do anything. They take me go prison. Somebody will come out gun, you know, go prison. When man they talk, they important like, but the guy, maybe it is sick. So if they sick, make it come out gun. As he come out gun. That one day nobody see say go do press statement. If I dig Ghana away, anybody fool with me. If I dig Ghana away, anybody fool with me for this country inside there. People fool too much for this country. People fool like the foolishness be too much. That's why politicians know they waste my time on you people. You know, see, your people they fit out and when they suffer, they know their mind. Because when even politicians even try, even arrange something for you people have questions to ask with English. You know English as a politician. Why you not your president? Why your father no come chop president? Why your mother no come chop president? Why your uncle or your brother or your son no come chop president? You go find your life and live your life. You put your life off of Mahama and John Akufo-Addo in top. See Akufo-Addo no do anything. Mahama no do anything. Jay Akufo no do anything. Jerry John Wale no do anything. It be you now where you shit for yourself. Where you did it? Kwasia. No politician do anything. It be you, your mindset. That be why you shit for what you shit for. As I come here, I look and I say, I learn skating. Kwasia. Make Akufo-Addo can teach me how to skate. Abua. After I wake up, I learn something for myself. I play my own beat. Kwasia. Make Nana Akufo-Addo can play beat for me and put them for YouTube. Make Afi get money. Kwasia. Wake up, people just they live some life for this country inside. Nonsense. If man, you talk about reality too, you don't want to understand it. Then you just want to be there and behave like bull. If you get sense past me, try. If like get to conference, make we see that you go say you don't get sense. Because everything where you go to talk, if you don't know where you speak English plenty, I go to break them down for you. Because sometimes you dey speak the English, but the sense you won't make, you know the English inside. People go can't show me. Go check my sisters. They call them. My sisters they from London. They did London over 10 years to 12 years. My sisters. They go London in and out. For my family they London. Yeah. Where did they speak the English for? That's where we are from. That's where me I go for. That's where I learn this skating for. This skating. That's where I learn for London. Go ask anybody. I get friends from Mitcham. Go Mitcham. Go Bromley by Bow. Go Bristol. I get friends for there up till now. My friends where they did Bristol. Like if you say you like you know somebody in front of you. Because I go there Nima. So you even tag me. Go stay Nima and see how many rich boys they Nima. And see how many hardworking boys they Nima. No, Nima said, Nima get one to be out free Nima be on your by heart on board there. Wait, Jim Papa. I bow down. Learn sense. Speak wisdom. Learn sense. Learn wisdom. Don't come and scare me with some nonsense things. They know they scare me. Me for a year. Where are they? They know they scare me. Don't come and scare me because whatever they talk, it be the real fact. Don't be stupid. Come take there and come they talk like man don't know what it's about and man just they come on Facebook live and talk. If you say they come here and I come talk for trend. What trend? What trend go give me? What trend go give me? You get that trending. And my you Twitter, because your phone and what Twitter, because your phone and what Twitter. Nobody gets sense for Twitter. The whole Ghana, nobody gets sense for Twitter. You can't do there, and the person just talk some nonsense because Twitter they type English for them. Because service they do dictation for them. Whatever you type for Twitter, how much has that thing put in your bank account? You're very stupid. When man they talk, then people you won't put some things of mine in the minds of people and Shatta Wale. No, the thing is doing is not the thing you are doing is not fine. But your artist you go command gun for British High Commissioner, like British High Commissioner say for banner, like all embassies for banner. Your artist like for banner, waiting for jailer. Then you I got a video for my Facebook page. Anybody who don't go see. Oh, I was night. You bring gun. And everybody says, oh, you get accident, so your leg they pain you. Your leg they pain you. In every country, anybody where they get accidents, where you know to be okay again. They under that rule. The disability rule. So you get some incentives where you enjoy. And something you get where you park for. You get your bathroom where if you go public place, they get them at toilets, they get them at man, they educate you. He's talking to all the disabled in the country because Musa Sumbo. I say Buba Masum. Say people must Ghana is somebody so there if I take away independence square, the president slap him, the ministers go slap him, the MPs go can slap him. You don't finish the give him cocoa. Kwasia. Now she's over to me no man. Wait, Jim Papa. And I'm gonna say the amount of air politicians on Montion. Who say wait, Jimmy Papa? The politicians, the people that wait, Jimmy Papa. When they try help make we solve problem for this country inside, always you put your mind there some place, nonsense place. When man tell you the real facts. I'm a bad boy. Make nobody see me like that. Me, I'm very, 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 very bad boy. But because of love, where I can get from fans, where I can say, hey, if I sing people they love them, wow. Hey, see the way in way make a slow down. If in way they make a slow down. I was like, if I come here, I won't show people say, no be anything. For street safe, don't see like that. Sometimes they pay me, say something they happen for this country, then I defeat join everybody together. You know how many policemen with my friends, with my fans? You know how many soldiers with my friends, with my fans? You know how many judges for this country with my friends, with my fans? Your current president, Akufo, say my father, my brother, my big brother. Your current president, Akufo, John Mahama, my big brother, JJ Wallace. Why Jimmy? Why you pull from at all? And those stupid Kwame Dazi people and those are not and Sama Bedu and those nonsense people. Always say they take English. Ask them, say maybe they bring 1 million Ghana cedi from my account. If you hard work where the government wants, it not be your talking. If you hard work hard, make the government recognize you and support you small. People can't take away when they talk, they see my like, oh why is he talking like, why is he talking like that? Why am I talking like that? You are being stupid. That because somebody did, when somebody they fight, when you tell the person, oh hungry boy. So all the Ghanaians where they hungry, no? The association of hungers. They say why if I'm trying to money say they hung, but to tell somebody say they hung, like give me very bad. Why? Moi chini. Me a me obi enya asem. Mo try asem be ye na yes mo panyin bia oni nyansa. Embe friends on me be chance adili with case we. So oni nyansa. Se ma fra odin a. Se ma ba odin a. Bra, we be my bra, me chen. Be too big. Ya buya hu kaka. Aden say to me buya hu. Aden, then what is wrong with you? Tell me. Downtown, what is wrong with you people? What is wrong? Say this is someone like me, I work hard, I make up for my life. When you won't come to tell me, say, what are they talk? You know, they make sense. That's why you are there where you don't get 10,000 Ghana for your account. That's why you did there where you get it. When I come, like, I won't show you money. And he's rushing, and he's going in, and he's like, Kwasia, Abua, Kwasia, Udumpo. Because I said, where you doing? Obi ya bibi, and I didn't know. Moya Musa Mumpasa Mumeka, because Nipano Yare, with Jimmy. Jimmy and with Jimmy. Then you want to twist the thing and tell them some way, and oh, he said this guy in shirts no fine. So all the shirts no fine association people, they gather, all the shirts no fine association, because somebody today they say, no, my shirts no fine. Why this guy, they tell this guy, say my shirts no fine? Oh, he did this me too. There another guy for some place. Me too, my shirt no fine. Why he did talk say my shirt no fine? This guy did this me too. What Jimmy? Oh, what Jimmy? What Jimmy? What Jimmy? Hey Jimmy. What Jimmy? I wonder if your parents are even proud of you people. I wonder. if your parents are still proud at age. Some maybe 40, 43. Make people pray. Make people pray. Because where I catch for my life, it be my cup run it over. Pray make I not reach surely. Make people pray, make I not get to surely. I hate this nonsense. You understand me? I can't do this video. I still, if I live here, I just some meeting go. Maybe morning meeting. And I don't want to make anybody come there talk any nonsense and see me like I don't fear anybody. I don't fear anybody. Because I because I don't do anybody wrong. After they are in my corner. So if somebody insults me, I can insult the person. Leave me and that person. Don't come and judge. You are not my judge. Because as the person insults me, you go watch that, make the person insults me. You don't carry him like the way as I can insult they carry him. And we now move back to back. Because CFO. Sometimes I get some Shatta movement fans, they don't like make I ball. Because I they make them happy. I just on WhatsApp group page where constantly I they like them jokes, they laugh and things. And when they see a ball like this, then they feel bad. They feel bad because they see I'm like, why? Somebody insults me. I can't insult the person. So you put it, tell me, say, why are they insult the person? Hey, you guys are lazy. All those people who did insult Shatta Wale, you people, you don't go see betterment of life. Your life will go better for you. Because more Jimmy. In a Jimmy, it's a pen driver, all the pono ashaso. Jimmy, it's a pen driver, one all the pono ashaso. Because pen driver, if you to me the documents, if you to me the plans, if you to me the notepad, Yamon person in future, if you to me the lifetime plan, share pen drive, no marketer. Who brain, who the pono ashamu? It's what Jimmy pono. Just behind. Eche yentong. Eche yentong. Obano person one kaka. Oh, chalo mefo, but one young kaka. Obano per other wall. And yes, sika. Me first can ditch. Me ditch and me ditch any you're not 20 years da. No more so, oh, chalo, you kaka for sure. Sana ditch. Minko bagay you what town. One would to move your sia and a Juliana Masana Mosha Puno Puno, no online. Celebrate Casa. Now, also be Casa do Quasia Puno France. Puno near Bini France. Sia. Your artist, you follow him, indeed. Your artist, way to follow him. Indeed. What motivation they give you? What motivation they give you at all if you do mistake? We know this, I'm like, no, this one will be yawa. To come out gun. If you do America, like it be inside 15 years, go check. Somebody with the brandish gun for public, go check. Give them, maybe they don't give them, at least in 5 or 4, they go check for prison. Because, yeah, so you come out gun for public, you be gangster. You usually be so gangster they behave. A boy, you know what be gangster? Gangster be someone who they make money. That be gangster. Gangster, you can't take money, you can't come out gun for British High Commissioner, for Deputy Minister of Wine, you get CEOs, you can't come out gun for that one. When man they talker, there's somebody say, but why are you saying that guy in the sick like, which you are poor? A boy. They can make somebody wait if you say the opening, make you come sit down with me and talk this matter with me and talk him like you want to talk sense. A boy. People no get sense. People no get sense. Shout out to Tori, man. I see you, man. From London, man. I see you. Yeah. They don't know we're from Mitcham. They don't know I'm from, Mitcham, like, they don't know. Bro, Croydon boy, wait there. Croydon, full Croydon boy, wait there, If people want to come and teach me English, how to speak English, and Shatta Wale has to relax. When he's talking, sometimes he make good statements, but the way he talks and the delivery and the delivery. Did you go for you? Who I've created employment for Ghanaians that if you know you are working for any foreign transport company that you are complaining, do you know how many drivers are complaining? Then no, I've created a platform for you guys. Put 20 Ghana cedis and use the app for 12 hours. The 12 hours, it doesn't expire within a day. It expires within 7 days. It has become a big problem. Somebody will say, but Shatta, I want to ask you, are you sure that the app is okay? Hey. And your friends are making money with the app. Shout out to my president of the Saxi Union, Mr. Misa. Recently, Mr. Misa, Tashamka. The president, he's the president of the drivers union for Saxi. Adashamka. Why Adashamka? Because this man is so consistent, paying his work and pay money every time. So Adashamka, all the drivers he brought from day one when we started Saxi are now where they are. And this one is enjoying. Where do they take the cars go? I have over 30 cars as company cars for Saxi. Calculate 30 cars. The small ones, so you know the cost. But calculate them 72 Ghana city. Calculate 30 by 72. Wait, Jimmy Anna. You want to talk to somebody like me, like, oh my, I said basketball shit. I bet translate. And you will only answer. Wait, Jimmy. Who should dress in the judging of what you know? Wait, Jimmy. Abua. My office is running. My office, it run every 247. When they show you the way, you people don't want to watch and listen to. Some of you guys are like the disobedient Israelites. With the time Moses, they command them more. They know they believe. If Moses say make the pass this way, they say no, make the pass it. The Moses go see God, the director. The Moses, God, if God did the show with this, make a pass this way. You know they believe, you don't get belief. Man, they show you put the way. For music, I even take enter business. As you know be music alone. But the majority of Ghanaians, their mindsets. How can somebody come? You say if you do something, your foreign app, did they charge you 35%? And what commission? I said no. Me might only be commission free. Just because I know how the system is. Come and pay 20 Ghana cedi as subscription on the app. Use it for 12 hours. All the money you make is your own. We don't take your money just because of the way the system is. That is why I created this app. Because I found out that most of my fans I have, plenty of them will be drivers. Plenty of them. They buy cars where they give to drivers. Some of them my cars spoil. So I said, no, come on this platform. Pay 20 Ghana cedi. And use the app for 12 hours. The money you, the driver, you go make, all be your own. And the 12 hours expires within 7 days. Somebody go see that. If you say, Shatta, you won't make money out. I won't make money out of it. Just think about the calculation. It's a future business plan that I have. And I feel this is the little thing I can do for my community. Even that one, somebody if he ask me, say, Shatta, your app ID. Yeah, the Uber and Yango and things. You put know the CEO. None of the drivers for Ghana even talk to Uber CEO or Yango CEO. The person will create the app. None talk to them, but me, because they won't ask me nonsense questions. If your life, if somebody they show you the way where you no one learn, if your life, if the same thing they do for this music industry inside. When people they mess up and they tell them, say, yo, you're messing up because I'm making money with this shit. Don't come and spoil my money making machine. Don't mess it up. Somebody if you did there and they talk nonsense. So no, I'm not saying this nonsense and I don't like talking. No. They watch for Parliament House, they fight for there. How many of you they sit down and talk, say Parliament, they're more you know if you talk, they can't catch you, they will beat you to Apakye. You better bow. You better bow. Also need answer to talk about those people. These are billionaires. When man they talk about how the system for doing and things where you know if you talk, shut up. Because you don't get out. You got to sit and come in front and tell them the problems. You don't get out. Your common MP set for your area. Where your area make potholes. Dusty. You know if you catch your MPs to sit down and tell them, hey, you know if you do a see. But because of social media, you think on social media, everyone can talk to yourself. Because they give you light off for us. You know if you fight your area MP. You give the light off, you're part of life. You put it on a light off, they give, oh Charlie, they give you light off. Oh. Charlie, they give you light off. Oh, me too, they give me light off. Oh, Charlie, my light no there, man. Oh, your light no there. Kwasia. If you say the part of life, light off. Go check UK if they give them light off. Go Germany if they give them light off. Go America if they give them light off. Poor. You know, Mukasanya. Person betting your son, no question. I say, Muchim, say, Nipa, sorry. I say, you're just on big man. Every Friday, if you drive around town, every Friday, if you drive around town, you see, everywhere the pub, like Charlie, people they choose it. Now, when a moon can say, you can't make room. Don't think, say, our leaders, we did the rule, they don't watch the country. Some more bra. Mon cock club, mon yes, na mon ubi on niska crowd, be cock club. Quiet den. Yeah, you was capo and cock club. Yeah, you was capo and cock club. You did there, your road no good. They give you light off, your pipe no they come. Ah, see, I know complain about that one. If you Shatta Wale matter, we got me. See, if you chop my matter, you go get matter. Me, if you chop my matter, you go get matter. You see the pastor where you chop my matter, you get matter. The time they arrest me and they car inside, the pastor, they handcuff me with the handcuff. Pastor, when vision we say, Yami Bema, Yachi, many handcuff, but when vision so be able to wait, Jimmy Papa. Yami Bena Usu. People don't know the person with the. Maybe after they sit down, they wear my b-ball top and thing. But man, I go play b-ball small, go learn skating small, where I come here. So you seem like go say I'll be a share basketball at the Yansam. We jump because basketball in conform America. Or move catch him unana. Where jimmy too much. Monsieur Nyansa. Start building your brain into a real person and learn how to build this life. You plenty of you, if you get somebody like my father, we get cars plenty for us. We live story building, big house. Like people no go leave the house. We will live on a father house we come straight to. I know watch my father in houses and my father in cars, my father in money. I know what you say. Me, I tell my father, say me, I go make my money. I go ask my father. I did the idea like go ask my father. I tell my father, say me, I go make my own money. And today my father be proud. Shout out to Shatta Wale, no size, bad man. You did that, your father will be proud of you. You can't date social media because you don't get this and you can't learn how to be sensible, learn how to be smart, learn how to listen to people when they talk sense. Learn how to listen to people when people they talk sense. A poor